Look at that, folks. Anybody want some? Come on, let's go. I'll show you how to make it. Hello, gorillas. I'm the vegan gorilla, your boy Chef Perry. Today we're going to make a little garlic mayo. Garlic mayo dill chives sauce. Well, not sauce, but mayo. Summer coming up. Gonna have some good coleslaw, something a little bit healthier, not just with, you can mix it with the regular vegan mayo, but it's mostly oil, so I got a little combination of both to make it a little bit more healthier. So today we're going to make some mayo. You can put this stuff on anything. It's you can put it on. You can use it as a dip. You can use it as pierogies, almost like a sour cream topping. Spread it on your vegan burgers, sandwiches. Again, like I said, I mainly use it for coleslaw, pretty much. Nice shredded cabbage and stuff. Put that in there, put it together, then put it on the vegan burger. Because you know it is barbecue season. Not the same for a vegan, but you know, we do veggies and stuff. And veggie burgers. Things are getting along pretty good here, so well, let's get started. Alright. So I'm using here a medium texture tofu. You can use silken, which will actually really make it the more mayo consistency. Like I like mine a little bit thicker, a little bit more pastier. Just kind of how I like it, but very simple to make. Let's throw this together. We get a tofu, put it in our blender. Some chopped garlic. I just roughly chopped that because we shouldn't do the rest. And we got some white vinegar. Now this one here I use, it's like a typical white vinegar. I use the Marinara white vinegar, which is a little bit different. It's got more of a golden hue color to it. Rather than the store-bought little white one you can use if yours doesn't matter. I just kind of like the flavor this one a little bit better. So we get that in there. Got a quarter cup and use grapeseed oil. You can use sunflower seed oil if you want. Put that in there. Half a teaspoon of agave. Now if you don't have agave, that's fine. You can use maple syrup. So you can substitute that. So do half a teaspoon of that. A little bit of sweetness in here. Can never be sweet enough. Right. All right. Then you got sea salt. I'm going to do 3/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt here. Three-quarters of a teaspoon of. I'm actually going to do a full teaspoon of chives. Let's get a little. You know what? Let's go with two teaspoons of chives. This doesn't sound like enough. 3/4. Really? We have lots. And I got some dried dill. So I'm going to put heaping teaspoon. 2 heaping teaspoons. In there. Lots of slide and what's in it. The most important ingredient. A little bit of that's right. Alright. So now what? Chef, I guess it should right. Let's put this on. Give it a little pulse. pulse a little bit to get it. Let's see it coming together already. Get it a little bit more emulsified a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it on and whip it. Let's whip it. Whoosh. Sometimes you need a little influence. Now you'll see that in the process here, as it becomes whipped, the oil starts to whip itself and gives you that creaminess quite a bit. So it goes from a bit pasty to more of a liquefied, and the oil starts to whip up. So anytime you whip oil, that's basically what mayo is just oil poured in very slow and whipped. It creates that nice creaminess texture. So you're gonna let it run for a little bit longer, and then I'll show you. All right, so a little taste test. You should always taste that. Oh, yes, that's good. That's really good. Okay, that's awesome. I'm gonna use that. It's good to taste it though, because sometimes you need a little bit more salt, a little bit more dill, a little bit more garlic, a little less garlic. You can make this garlic free if you don't like garlic. You don't like garlic. But you just, omit the garlic from it. But this is pretty good, and I'll show you. I got some shredded cabbage and stuff. I'll just whip it together, and we'll do a little taste test and see how many grills we can get out of this. I think I already know by that little taste sample there, but I'll be honest about it. So give me a second. We'll clean this up, come back, do a little taste test, and we'll go from there. So, gorillas, I am back with a little taste tester. So I'll show you what the mayo looks like. Let's see, it's pretty consistent with the mayo, I guess. That's why I like to go with the medium firm tofu and not a silken. Silken will just be a little more runnier. I like mine a little bit more pastier like this. And you can see though, it's nice color, like slight hue green to it. Slight hue. And you can put this sealed up, put it in the fridge, it'll last up to about 2 weeks. Use on anything. So I just threw together a simple little salad. I got some mixed cabbage, put a couple huge dollops of that garlic mayo, dill mayo in there. Put in some poppy seeds. I put on some chia seeds and topped it with some cashews. So let's give it a go. Clean this off. That's going to be nice even when it gets chilled and cold a little bit in the fridge. They'll thicken up just a little bit, it'll be nice. All right, let's give this a go and see what we got here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a nice dollop. If you don't want it as a salad alone, I should add a few things in. But if you don't want to do that, just as a full salad alone, pop it on your burgers, vegan burgers, of course. Even if you're not vegan, that's fine. It just gives you a different alternative to adding mayo, which is heavily oil-based and a lot of calories, obviously. It's a little more healthier. It's protein from the tofu, obviously, and the bulk of it is tofu. So you get a little healthier kick from that rather than your typical vegan mayo or regular mayo. Use it, and yeah, this is great. It's refreshing. I said you can use this as a dip. If you want to use chip dips and dip stuff in it, you can use it on top of tacos, taco topping. There's all kinds of stuff, pierogies, all kinds of stuff you can do with it. So anyways, give it a shot. Let me know. You can see it's easy to make. Make it really quick. And let me know what you think.
4.5 gorillas, baby.
So, I'm going to have this for lunch, and please subscribe, like, and comment if you like. Good comment, please. And if I don't see you again, maybe I'll see you again. Stay. Much love. Be kind. I'll see you later. Yeah, taking this for lunch. And, see ya.